Hey guys, Nigel here from Alpha and Omega Air Conditioning. Today I want to show you how easy it is to replace a filter material on a ducted system. If you bought your filter material through our online shop, you would have received some cut to size filter material and a roller tool, which I'll explain to you later. If you haven't bought your filter replacement through our online shop, please go to www.alphaandomegaAir.com.au. You'll find a menu for our online shop, and from there you'll be able to purchase your cut to size filter for your ducted system. We also sell other products for your air conditioning systems, so get on there and have a look. Okay, the only other tool we need before we start today is a flathead screwdriver, which is one of these, and a Stanley knife, maybe. Once you've taken out the old filter, find a safe flat area that you can work on. We've chosen this table, which just to make it easier for you. Okay, so first we want to take out the old filter. To do this, there is a little truck that runs around the inside of the frame. You'll see that, and to get a start on it, that's why I suggested getting a flathead screwdriver. If not, a Stanley knife might do this as well. Alright, very simple. You get the bead and it starts to just come out just like this. Very easy. Okay, so we just want to remove the old one. This isn't an old filter material, by the way. It's a brand new one, but we didn't have any other around to show you. So, but anyway, look. So it's come out just like that, and we'll get the beading off the filter. And it's just come off like that. So there it is. It's all out. Okay, we'll throw that one away, or we'll keep that one actually, and we'll get the new one. Now, there's no particular way you have to put side that you have to put the filter material in first. So we can just put it in over there. Now we want to lay it out over the frame like that. So it's sitting on the frame just like this, and with your rolling tool, we're going to put the bead into that frame. Okay, so we'll grab the bead and we'll start up in one corner. Okay, so we're starting from one corner. It just makes it easier when you get it going. So we'll start up in one corner there, and to do this we're going to, okay, so you want to get this bead into that track that goes on the inside of the frame. Alright, so as you can see, I've started pushing that into the track, so it's pretty easy once you get going. And you just want to make sure too that your filter's all lined up and it's all okay. So we'll just keep going along here like that. Alright. So it's not too hard to do once you get going with it. So okay, so now you can see that the filter material's in just like that. It wasn't too hard. Now what you might want to do now is just get either a pair of scissors, or you can just get a Stanley knife and trim off all the excess. And the other thing too is, you might just want to go around here and just push in the bead in the corners, because sometimes, with your screwdriver, sorry, because sometimes you can't quite get it in there snug enough, but yeah, there you go. And sometimes too you get a bit of extra bead hanging off the end here. So now look, it didn't take me too long. It was probably about 5 minutes. Pretty easy to do, and yeah, anyone can do it pretty much. If you liked this video, please hit our like button. There will be some information on the bottom of this video, so if you want to just read, if this was a bit hard to follow, and also subscribe to our channel. We'll have some more videos coming out over the next few months on how to do other things, how to help maintain your air conditioner, and other things regarding your air conditioning system. Okay, thanks.